Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to access the YouTube Studio send feedback section on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Go to YouTube Studio, we have a shortcut on the toolbar, or we can physically search and then click. Go to YouTube Studio. Make sure you're signed into the account and then go to the left hand side navigation bar on your screen, bottom left corner where it says send feedback. Click on this and then we can describe the issues, share your ideas, include a screenshot and then share by clicking send, and that goes to YouTube and they can review the issue you have. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.